how long should you study for the BCS Foundation exam? So the thing is, it's not about hours, it's about how you use those hours. The BCS says 30 hours total qualification time. So about 18 hours guided learning and 11 to 12 hours independent study plus the exam. But that's if you're doing everything right. Most people aren't. Now look, the BCS's estimate is just that, an estimate. Depending on your learning style, it may take you 40 hours. It might take you 50 hours. It doesn't matter. You've got to do what's right for you. The point is, you will pass the exam if you do it properly. So I actually studied for 8 weeks twice. The first time I did it all wrong. I read the textbook cover to cover, made color-coded revision cards, highlighted everything. I wasted weeks on stuff that wasn't even in the syllabus. The second time, however, I followed the syllabus properly and passed first time. The mistake that most people make is they think more hours equals better results. It doesn't. I've seen people study for months and still fail, and I've seen others cram for 3 weeks and pass. It's not about time, it's about quality. 3 focus hours beats 10 hours of reading the textbook like it's a novel, and that's what most people do wrong. Here's my timeline. Week 1 to 3, read the textbook, but not the whole thing, just the syllabus areas. Don't read it like a storybook. Read it to understand the concepts that the exam actually tests. Weeks 4 to 6, practice questions every single day. This is again where a lot of people mess up. They think that they know the material because they can define Moscow or they can define observation, but the exam doesn't ask for definitions. It gives you scenarios and you have to apply what you know to those scenarios. Week 7 to 8, mock exams under timed conditions. 60 minutes, 40 questions, no exceptions. Because there's no benefit in knowing the right answer if you can't work it out in the 90 seconds the exam gives you. Look, I'm not saying you can pass in 2 weeks. You probably can't. But I'm also saying 6 months is overkill. Most people who study for ages are doing busy work. They're not actually preparing for the exam. The exam test application, not memorization. You need to practice applying the concepts to the scenarios. That's why Foundation Pro has 210 practice questions, because that's what actually prepares you. If you want to know right now whether you're ready, go to bastack.com, take my free foundation readiness quiz. It's 10 questions. It takes about 10 minutes. You'll get a personalized score showing exactly which areas you need to work on. No fluff, no filler, just what you need to know to pass first time. That's it for now. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.